Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on GNANGSTUDIO for the today. I brought something that I want to show you. What is this? This is play and charge kit for my beautiful brand new Xbox controller. Let me show you. This is so nice. This is what I'm talking about, and I'm also ready for the unboxing of this right now with you. Let's do this together. Bro, as you can see, this is not a joke. It is in front of you. It's crazy. This is MineCraft, Xbox MineCraft big controller. And I decide to buy a play and charge kit. This is a battery for this beautiful and amazing controller. This is not a joke. Look at that. Nice, beautiful. Some information about this. Crazy. What else? Very nice, great, and very good. And what can you see? Beautiful controller. And look at that. Nice, amazing also. I like it. Look at that. You can see Barry AA. Okay, another. Now let's go to the unboxing right now. Let's start by this. Wonderful. As you can see, my controller is here. You can take this. Beautiful. Close. And thank you for watching. And you have now the next box here. Let's open this right now for you. And what inside? A battery. Beautiful. Look at that. Nice. You can put on a beautiful Xbox controller. I will do this right now. Okay? Get ready for that. Now, what inside this guy? Let's open. What is a cable? A cable, bro. Wow. USB cable. For what? This is to charge your beautiful controller. Okay. Okay. So what is this? Okay. Now put this inside and thank you. Look at the front of you. Thank you for watching. Beautiful. And now you have your beautiful Xbox controller with this beautiful battery. What can you see? You can see 1400 mega ampere. Okay, I also but it's good. I want to test this with you right now. Okay, let me connect this to my beautiful Xbox controller right now. Okay, as you can see, this is my brand new Xbox One controller. This is MineCraft big controller. It's really nice, amazing, good. Look at the design, very nice. With a Bluetooth inside into, you can connect your beautiful jack here, your headphone, and charge your phone with this beautiful USB. Like that, you can charge like that. Put this inside into. Wow, and look at, it's so amazing. Put this inside to charge. Now let me remove this. Okay, remove, and let's check. Let's remove all of this right now. Okay, Thank you for watching. And let's change this with face. Okay, look at inside. You have something here. This is where you need to connect this. Okay, let's see if it's working. Put this inside into, and what is this? Look at that. Now it's inside. And also that is working. Okay, now let's close this. Let's try to see if it's working also. Okay, let's try. Okay, be careful. Ooh, look at that. What is this? Is it working? Yes or no? Okay. Ay. Okay, it's inside. What can you do now? What can you do now? This is simple. You need to press this button to turn on. I can see no answer. Maybe you need to charge your beautiful battery because it is empty. Okay, I will charge this battery to see if it's working very well. Okay, let me remove this. Remove also. How to remove this? Remove this like that. Be careful. Okay, nice. I want to charge this battery and see if it's working. Alright, okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share, and get ready for the next video. You can also use this beautiful pill when your beautiful battery is discharging. You can do this, do something like that. You can close, turn on here, and when your battery is charged, you will see something like that. Okay, let me charge my battery right now, and I will show you after. Let's go to the next video. I love you. Alright, subscribe today.